Welcome to the funeral program site. This video gives a brief overview on a funeral repast. A repast is any gathering or reception held after a funeral or memorial service. Repasts are less formal than the service and are typically open to everyone who attended. Repasts can also be private, depending on the family. The purpose of a repast enables a way to celebrate a life together and have family and friends around you for support. The location can be noted within the funeral program to inform all attendees of the time and place. The word repast is a Latin word for mealtimes and means to eat. Today, it's a common tradition after a funeral service where family and friends gather together to share a meal. Repasts are often hosted in a reception hall, either in a funeral home, church, community center, or restaurant. The type of food offered at the repast can range from a light snack or hors d'oeuvres to full lunch or dinner courses. This, of course, will depend on the family. The repast is an opportunity to offer condolences to the immediate family. The location is often close to where the funeral service was held. Most begin immediately following the service, so it's not uncommon for the repast to be held in the funeral home, church, or a home nearby. Private repasts are most often held in a family member's home and are limited to only immediate friends and family. Repasts can include a time of sharing, played favorite music of the deceased, a tribute video, depending on beliefs, culture, or religion. The cost of the funeral repast will depend on several factors and can be customized by the family depending on budget. Thanks for watching. We hope that this video has given you some insight and clarification on a funeral repast. Check out more available resources only at thefuneralprogramsite.com.